Beautiful. Good morning from Pavia, Iloilo.
Good morning
We're back. We're on our way.
to Santa Barbara Traditional Market.
Santa Barbara Traditional Market. We're going to take you guys with us, so stick around.
Ano ma? Tinda kami. Oh. Utan. Hanggang here. Be careful. Okay.
What are you getting?
Let us see first.
This is it, guys. Santa Barbara Public Market. Bananas look good over there. Can't eat enough bananas when I'm here, guys. Love the bananas here. And some calabaza. I'm watching her cut up the calabaza. Oh, it's a little better. The lights were off. Oh, excuse me. Bye-bye. God bless. What else you think, sweetheart? Yeah, they look better on that other table over there. See? Over there? Different type? I don't know if you guys can hear the language being spoken. So much Spanish in the Hiligaynon dialect. That's what enables me to follow the conversations, so I know Spanish a little bit from years and years ago. These are the ones you have to boil?
Yeah, you need to boil.
With some ube here, sweetheart? Or just camote?
Ube.
It is ube. It's the ube, guys. And it's just camote?
Yes.
Camote, sweet potatoes, guys. We're gonna do some fresh ube or what? Beautiful.
Okay siya.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. How are you?
Ang kalagisi. May karon. Darling, you still want papaya?
Sure, you can get another papaya. The mangoes look good there too. Right there. Some papaya. Rex, we got that other one that's real ripe. We'll eat that one later.
Yeah. Pilang kilo sa imo na 179. O sige. O pila na ako tanan?
Ah, shopping bags. There you go.
Oy!
Not so fast.
Is that on?
How we doing, sweetheart?
Thank you. A little bit heavy, but it's okay. Ay! Naisa na lang kasi.
What's that, sweetheart?
Soap. That's a rock salt.
Ah.
This one is more organic.
Hey, how are you? Good afternoon.
Fish area.
Okay.
Or you can leave.
Well, we're getting closer. Looking for the fish. And we found it.
Hey, Moose, yo!
How are you? Excuse me?
Hey, Joe! Yo!
How are you? No.
Just be doing
Just video, recording. USA to Philippines link, YouTube. Beautiful. Oops, excuse me. Shrimp? The shrimp. Yeah, I saw it right there. So I thought you saw it. She's looking for shrimp, guys. How are you? Getting shrimp, guys, and these are scallops. We're getting a kilo of scallops. Doesn't get any fresher than this unless they're still swimming. They have every kind of fish you could think of from this part of the world here today. Unbelievable. It's a beautiful market, guys. Santa Barbara Public Market. Very cool. Don't ask me. If you're going to cook it, I'll eat it. She cooks it, I'll eat it. What's happening? How are you? Good, good. I'm good, I'm here. The fish area is wild. Where else, sweetheart?
Let's go there.
Oi, ali bang nalupad-lupad. Kata penting maju.
Alright guys, we're taking a trike back to the house. The Santa Barbara Public Market, that was pretty cool. Now I think there's two ways you can do the Philippines. You can do the Philippines more like a Filipino, and you can do the Philippines like a tourist. Stay in a fancy hotel, do the nice beaches, or you can experience life like a Filipino or close to it. Alright guys, so that was our visit to the Santa Barbara Public Market. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We got lots more coming. We got a bit more of our trip left here in the Philippines. We got some stuff planned. And leave in the comments what you thought of the video. Would love to hear it. So from my wife and I and all the family here in Pavia, Iloilo, as we always like to say here in USA, the Philippines Life Channel, wherever you guys are in the world, stay well, stay safe, stay blessed, and we'll see you real soon with another video from the Philippines.